Hello everyone, in this video we have been given a minus b divided by c minus d equal to a minus c divided by b minus d equal 3. Now we are going to find the value of a minus d divided by b minus c. Answer: a minus b divided by c minus d equal 2. Then a minus b equal 2 into c minus d. Then a minus b equal 2c minus 2d. Then a equal 2c minus 2d plus b. A minus c divided by b minus d equal 3. Then a minus c equal 3 into b minus d. Then a minus c equal 3b minus 3d. Then a equal 3b minus 3d plus c. Then 3b minus 3d plus c equal a equal 2c minus 2d plus b. Then 3b minus 3d plus c equal 2c minus 2d plus b. Then 3b minus b equal 2c minus 2d plus 3d minus c. Then 2b equal c plus d. Then b equal c plus d divided by 2. Now a equal 2c minus 2d plus b. Then a equal 2c minus 2d plus b equal c plus d divided by 2. Then a equal LCM 2. Then 4c minus 4d plus c plus d divided by 2. Then a equal 5c minus 3d divided by 2. Therefore A minus D divided by B minus C equal 5C minus 3D divided by 2 minus D divided by C plus D divided by 2 minus C, then equal LCM 2, then 5C minus 3D minus 2D divided by 2 divided by C plus D minus 2C divided by 2 equal 5C minus 5D divided by 2 divided by D minus C divided by 2. 2 cancel, then equal 5C minus 5D divided by D minus C equal 5 common, 5 into C minus D divided by minus common, then minus into C minus D. C minus D cancel, then equal minus 5. Then A minus D divided by B minus C equal minus 5. Thus, our answer A minus D divided by B minus C equal minus 5.